All right, and today we're going to talk about how we're going to capture the online market for all the services and products that you offer. All the services that you see on this page needs to be done on your website in order for you to capture 100% of the market and beat your competitors. So, if you if you're talking about search engine optimization has to be done, in a way that you get ranked for all your services. For example, if you're a dentist and they type in dentist, whatever city you're located in, and you pop up on the first page, you haven't captured the market. You need to come up for all your services. Like for example, dental implant. If we're talking about like Los Angeles, dental implant Los Angeles, porcelain veneers Los Angeles, cosmetic dentist Los Angeles. So any of all the services that you provide, if they type in any of these in Google, you're gonna have to come up on the first page. If you want to see an example of that, you can just go to our website and click on case study and just watch this video. This is an example of a perfect search engine optimization, and you'll see how this dental clinic in his city has been ranked for all the services keywords. And this is another example. Watch these two videos. You're gonna see what a perfect search engine optimization looks like. So when we talk about search engine optimization, we're not talking about just one keyword or two keyword. We're talking about all your services. And some business owners say, oh, I'm there on the first page of Google, but what keyword are you on the first page of Google? Is it just one keyword, two keywords? That's not going to work. Well, what needs to be done? You need to extract. Basically, we have tools that tells us exactly what keywords that are relevant to your services people are typing on daily basis, and then we rank you based on those keywords. So you get ranked for all your services and all the keywords. The second thing is submission to high ranked directories. There are a lot of directories. There are two types of directories out there, which is general directories and local directories. You need to get submitted to all of them. General directories are directories that, like any business, like they can get submitted there. And people go to these directories and find businesses. And also these directories, both general and local directories, both of them have a lot of credibility with Google, and their pages, they get ranked when you type in certain keywords. Local directories are directories like Google Maps, City Search, Yelp, Insider Pages, Yellow Pages, Mojo, Monta. These are all local directories, and you need to make sure that you're listed in all of them, because people see these directories on regular basis. They constantly when they type in a keyword, or they go to these directories, they type in the keyword, and they search for local businesses. And these businesses, as I said, they have a lot of credibility in Google, and their pages have great ranking in Google. They come up under your name, under the business name, under your keywords, and you need to make sure that you're there. Submission to local directories. This is what I was talking about, the local directories. So these are different than regular directories. Local directories are again Google Maps, City Search, Insider Pages, Yellow Pages, Mojo, Monta. There are like over 300 of them. When there's a company called Yext.com that they submit you to these directories, but they can only submit you to 50 directories, and then they charge you a yearly fee for this. We submit you to over 300 local directories, and there's no yearly fee. It's just a one-time fee that you pay, and you get submitted to all of them. And we're the only company that does this. I haven't seen any company offering this service, and this is extremely valuable. You need to be listed in all the local directories. Submission to social bookmarking sites. Social bookmarking sites or social media sites are Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all these different sites. So you need to get submitted to all these social media platforms. because they also have a lot of credibility with Google. Their pages have great credibility. So you need to make sure that you're listed there and people find you through social media constantly. Submission to relevant blogs. So once again, if you are, for example, if you're an auto repair shop, you need to get submitted to all the other to all the auto repair shop blogs, and because people go to these blogs, they read about businesses, and then they find you. Submission to forums. There are a lot of forums, in different niche. Doesn't matter what kind of business you're involved in. There are a lot of forums that are relevant to your niche, and you need to make sure that you're listed and submitted there. Video optimization for YouTube and Google video first page ranking. Video optimization is extremely important. Basically, what it means is that your video should get rank in YouTube and Google videos. We're gonna cover this in more details. The same keyword that people are typing in Google, they type the same keyword in YouTube to find a video about your business, and you need to make sure that you're on first page of YouTube and Google videos. Basically, statistics shows that right after Google, people go to YouTube and type in the same keyword because people love watching videos more than reading content, and you need to make sure that you pop up right there on the first page. Reputation management and marketing, which is building a 5-star reputation. This is extremely important, and in as time goes by, more and more people are checking your reviews before contacting you. Basically 92% of people, and this is a research that was done at Harvard University's Business Center, which we're going to cover this topic in more details in a different video. 92% of people check your reviews before contacting you. That means when through search engine optimization, when they find you, the second thing they do is to Google your name or your business name or your clinic's name if you're a medical related business, and they Google that and try to find your reviews. So you need to make sure that you have a system set up that you get more 5-star reviews than all your competitors in the area. So it's not just about getting the 5-star reviews, you need to make sure you have more 5-star reviews, and we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna cover this in more details, and I'll show you how you can generate more 5-star reviews than all your competitors. You can build a 5-star reputation and generate more 5-star reviews than your competitors. So please make sure you watch all the videos in this training. Creating a professional Facebook fan page. Facebook fan page is very important because you can collect fans. It's just like building your list. Every time someone clicks on your like button on your fan page, you capture that person, and you can just do retargeting or remarketing basically to those people, and constantly post your offers and promotions. And as soon as you do that, the fans are going to see that, and their friends are going to see that, and basically 15 times are the number of fans that you have. That's the number of people that are going to be able to see your offers and promotions. So you need to have a Facebook fan page. Also, Facebook fan page builds credibility because people judge your business based on the number of fans you have, and we generate a lot of fans for your Facebook and Twitter page, and followers for the Twitter page, to make sure you have more fans and followers than your competitors. When people see you have more fans and followers in the social media platform, they get the impression that you are, if all these people, they like you, that you're the right business to work with, so they contact you. So you gain a lot of credibility. Creating professional Twitter follower page. So this is what we're talking about. Twitter, the same thing with Facebook, Twitter. You have to have both of them. Generating over 1,000 Facebook fans to increase the credibility of the business. So we increase the number of your fans. And because people judge you based on the fans, also the more fans you have, the more the bigger list you have, and you can keep posting your offers and show your offers and promotions to them. Generating about 20,000 Twitter followers. We make sure that you have more Twitter followers than all your competitors. Getting listed in BookTok to capture more leads. BookTok is a lead capture tool for doctors, booktalk.com. If you go there, you need to be listed here. This is like a 24/7 receptionist working for you. In the previous video, I covered more details, about BookTok, and we have a training video for BookTok if you want to get more details. So this is more for medical related businesses. Designing a professional website, you got to make sure your website is Google and visitor friendly. So and we did cover this topic in the other videos, so please watch that video. Creating a professional Google map page and optimizing it to achieve maximum ranking. Your Google map page, what Google did, they integrated Google's map algorithm with organic search result. This integration happened a few years ago. The reason they did that, because they found out that a lot of people that they were submitting they were trying to get listed in Google map page by fake addresses. They were renting these PO boxes in different cities, and they were submitting them in Google map, so they would get some visibility in Google map. Google figured that out. They found out about this now, and they integrated Google's map algorithm with organic search result. This means if your website is not professionally optimized, if your business, you don't have a great online marketing, and if your website is not professionally optimized, you're not going to get ranked in Google Map either. This is why Google wants business owners to work on their website, to work on their business, and promote them. And they want to make sure they collect the data from a bunch of local directories. They want to make sure that your business has been submitted to other directories with the same address, phone number, contact information, all that stuff. That way they give you more credibility in Google Map. And also Google Map has to be done properly. All these things, they work hand to hand. So you need to make sure that your Google Map pages is optimized, and also your website is optimized. That is how you can get ranked in Google Map and achieve first page ranking in Google Map. Let me just show you a quick example here. Let's go to Google. We type like, for example, dentist Sherman Oaks. Okay, the one that is number one, as a matter of fact, that this is a client. This is where we rank them on first page. They not only show up in organic search result on the first page, but they're also on top, for Google Map. So if I click on more places here, this one is a paid ad where you see ad. This is a paid ad. Even in organic search result, these two are ads and these are organic. Let's go back here. And this is a Google Map and then organic search result. The algorithm of this area, which when I click on more, the number one is this clinic here, which is our client. And when we scroll down, you see there are all these different dental clinics here, and there's pages after pages. Page 1, let's click on page 2. There is more here, and then let's click on page 3. You see there's all these dental clinics in that city. So you need to make sure that you are on page 1 and on top. In the past, let's go back to organic search result. In the past, Google used to show 10 of these map search results on the first page. Now it's only 3, so you need to make sure you get great ranking. In mobile, a lot of people click here, and they see through their cell phone, and they see all the businesses. They love going to map because they see reviews here, they see all your contact information here, they can get the directions, the whole thing. This is why you need to make sure that you get ranked on first page of map 2. So it's not just first page of organic search result, also first page of Google Map if you're local business. So this is what we're talking about here. uh, Creating a professional Google Map page and optimizing it to achieve maximum ranking. And then Google Plus page. Google Plus page is basically, giving more information about your business. So you need to have a Google Map page, Google Plus page, and then integrating a program to the website. This service, is not available anymore. These packages are different, so don't look at these prices. These packages are different for different businesses because we analyze the level of competition for each business, and we check all this info, and based on that we can give you a quote, what needs to be done and how much it's gonna cost for you to have a package like this. So if you're an auto repair shop, and each city is different than the other city, so the level of competition is being checked. We cannot, if a business doesn't have much competition compared to another business that has a lot of competition, obviously we cannot charge the same price. So that's why contact us to get an accurate quote. This last service has been like it says doctor's picture or business's picture, business owner's picture shows up in Google search result. This does not basically has been taken out by Google. So this service, this one is not available. But instead of this, what we do, we make sure that your own website shows up with 5 stars in Google search result, which is more powerful. Basically the same star rating. If I type in, let me just type in a keyword here. Or let me just type in another keyword so I can show you an example. Do you see how this website here shows up with 5-star rating in Google search result? This is the same 5-star rating that Yelp has or Google has. All these star ratings, they work, they're the same, but we integrate certain program to your own site, so your own website shows up with 5-star rating here, and this generates more clicks, you capture more leads, and it grabs more attention, and people click on these sites more. So that's what we're talking about here. So it's not gonna show your picture anymore, because Google doesn't have that. Pretty much they pulled that out of their algorithm, but you can check the star rating in there. And this is not a directory, this is the pages of your own site that shows with 5-star rating. So all these services that I just mentioned, has to be done. There's actually a couple of more that is not listed here. The lead capture tools, they all that we talked about in the other video, they all need to get integrated to your website. It's very important that you have all those lead capture tools, and all these lead capture tools that I'm talking about, these are specifically provided by us, and you cannot really find them somewhere else because we have a team of software development team, that and including myself, that I'm a computer technology engineer and programmer. We're not just simple web designers. So we constantly come up with new programs to make sure, and we design new programs which is exclusively offered by us, and we want to make sure that you capture capture people and capture more leads than all your competitors in the area. I want to show you, for example, another lead capture tool. If you go to the home page of your website, I want you to watch this. If you notice, how all of a sudden the entire website turned to a lead capture tool. We're offering a very important report through this, and you can just sign up and get that report. It's going to show you exactly, basically the report is going to teach you how to choose a right online marketing company. So you can just put your email address and hit submit, and you'll get access to that. But I just want to show you this platform, and if they that how this whole thing turns into a lead capture tool. They can click on no thanks, and then your website is going to come up. This is another lead capture tool, the live chat. This is another one, and please watch that other video that talks about lead capture tools. So all those tools has to also get integrated to your website.